What do you take?
I take a lot of pills.
Do you take fish oil?
Yes.
I implore everybody listening, take your fish oil pills. They're good for a lot of things. Anti-inflammation. They're good for your joints. The only side effect is the fish burps.
Yeah, you burp up some salmon.
No, thanks.
It's the nasty side effect. That
And sometimes it makes your pee smell like salmon, too.
Hair. Yeah, a little bit like...
It makes your hair smell like salmon, too.
Trust me, though, the benefits outweigh the negatives. So please, try to put a little fish oil in your diet.
Absolutely.
Great for you.
Hear, hear.